Hello guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out in Quora app. So it's very simple. You just have to open Quora app in your mobile. If you don't have Quora app, then just go to Play Store and download from it. So you need to now open the Quora app in your mobile and make sure you are already logged in. And this is my Quora app and it's a feed. Now you need to go to your profile, which is in the top left corner. You can see the K sign. Just click on this circle K and now this is your profile. Here you can see the three button, which is in the bottom side of the screen. Just click on the three dot. And now you can see the logout option. So in this way, you can just easily log out in Quora app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please follow for more contents and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.